I'm showing you guys my parakeets. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm only filming. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, you're safe. You're okay. You're safe. Hey. This is my parakeet just enjoying the day. Come on. You're okay, sweetheart. I'm only filming you. It's alright. Sorry guys, about the light. I was showing my parakeets and in their natural day. Daily day of what they do sometimes. They do Sex City. This is really pretty okay for parakeets. They love the attention. You can talk to them. You can, see what their daily thing is. Sometimes they act funny. Yeah. It's funny. Sometimes they tease each other too. It's okay. And the darker blue one is Bobby, and the lighter blue is amderlina. Oh, my parakeets. I've had them for like a long time. Had them since got them on Tuesday, March 14th, and now I've had them ever since. They've been a pal. They've been making me laugh. They're so cute. Even when they groom each other, it's just so cute. I'm really tired from the camera. If I stand up, I might startle them. Just be funny. Like, be really careful not to get them too not excited. That's my parakeets. Now, gotta go, guys. Bye.